Hey there. So no walk this morning. Today's a rest day, but I did notice something today. So I do exercise most days, and just on days when I feel like I need to take a break, well, I let my body dictate that and I take a break. So today was a day to take a break after a few consecutive days of pretty intense workouts. And something I do regularly is as I go out and I try to get some sun every day. So I'm trying to do some sunbathing every day, and I don't really have any science to back this up, other than there is some science around exposure to infrared light and muscle and muscle recovery. But I've noticed that my recovery seems better whenever I go out and get some sun. And I'm not just going out and sitting in the gentle morning sunlight for 10 minutes. I'm usually out trying to get at least 15 minutes on one side, and 15 to 20 minutes on one side and 15 to 20 minutes on the other. That way my skin actually feels warm, the muscles feel warmed up, and I think that helps tremendously with that heat applied to the muscles. And it's just the heat from the sun, as well as I'm making plenty of vitamin D. I'm boosting my serotonin levels. That's going to boost my melatonin levels at night, so I'll have great sleep. And it's important for energy production, for ATP. So when I do work out, I'll have energy. So yeah, sunlight, right? We are, believe it or not, at least partially powered by the sun. And if you eat meat, if you're a carnivore, then you truly are 100% powered by the sun, because the animals that you eat are eating plants that grew because of exposure to the sun. So something to keep in mind and think about, maybe if you're doing your own exercise and you're trying to help with recovery. I've noticed since I've really upped my sunbathing over the last week, really, that I sort of have the ability to do more intense exercise. I have the ability to recover better. I have the desire to do more consecutive days of exercise. And even when I have exercise, like later on the afternoon, I'm kind of thinking about it like, man, I'd kind of like to do a little more or something. So I always have that energy and that ability to go and get a workout in if I want to. So I moderate it. I don't work out every day, because you do have to build in some days for muscle recovery. I'm not a 20-year-old kid who has a lot better recovery. And unfortunately, I didn't discover this way of eating when I was that age. That would have been great, but getting it now, and losing 50 pounds now, and gaining a bunch of muscle, and having energy and great sleep, those are great at any age. So definitely just another reason to go out and get your sunlight, help with your muscle recovery. At least it seems to help with mine. I'm going to keep doing it because it's got a whole host of other benefits. But what do you think? What's your experience with sunlight? And have you noticed any association with helping with muscle recovery and exercise recovery? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day.